Hi everybody, this is Tracy Sigler. Welcome to Week 2, Module 2, Ethical Leadership and Organizational Behavior. This week we're going to look at different ways we can try to understand people at work. So remember, we're trying to understand behavior, predict behavior, and influence behavior. So this week we're looking at individual differences. So the material, sorry, that's my cat joining me. Chapters 3 and 4 of your textbook, and then the journal materials are right here at the beginning of the module. So this week you're going to be thinking about authentic leadership. There are 3 articles in a video here. There's only one discussion board this week, and moving forward, 1 written assignment and 1 journal assignment. So I apologize, last week there were multiple places to submit your written assignment. I think I have fixed those at this point. So the discussion board this week asks you if your current or recent organization is the best places to work. Is the best place to work. So your textbook has some information about companies that have made the list. Yeah, SAS is the example at the beginning of Chapter 4. I have a link for a recent Fortune 100 best companies to work for, and I have met some individuals who work for local organizations who are on the best places to work list. Roper St. Francis is one. When I was in Leadership Charleston, we had a full day of presentations by their leadership, which was pretty interesting. Your written assignment, so this is the individual assignment just for you and me. So this assignment asks you to look at the fit between you and your organization and you and your current job or position. So to start out, I've given you an assignment to help you identify kind of your long-term wish list or bucket list, and to try to identify your values. 3, so number 3 and number 4. What's your current job person fit? What's your current person organization fit? So you can be a good fit with the organization that you're part of, but maybe your specific role is not good for you. Or you can really love your job and have a great fit between your knowledge and skills and interests, but the organization at large doesn't align with your values. And 4 is asking, well, what are your conclusions at this point? After analyzing your dreams and values and fit. What can you do? What should you do to get better fit? And then finally, the journal for this week is the second characteristic, embrace a true authentic self. This one is interesting. So Bill George has written a book about becoming an authentic leader, true north. Some of you may be familiar with this. And this is one of the activities, or based on one of the activities he uses in his book. And so first, I'm going to ask you to draw your life story. You're not going to have to turn it in, so draw it for yourself to kind of map what are the key experiences of your life. So I created a path of my own and took a picture of it to give to you, but you don't have to give me your picture. Who have been the main influences? What experiences have you had? What's been the most difficult challenge in your life? So this is what Bill George calls the crucible, and encourages leaders to turn that crucible into an opportunity for personal growth. What did you learn? How did you become stronger? How do your life experiences shape the values you hold? And how well are you living your values? So all of these questions are intended to help you think about the extent to which you come to work and lead with your true, authentic self. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to reading your introductions and guessing your 2 truths and a lie.